Attractiveness is not just about physical appearance, but also about how you present yourself. According to science, there are several simple ways that you can instantly increase your attractiveness to others through your body language, actions, and even what you wear. These methods have been proven through studies and experiments and can be easily implemented into your daily life. Method number 1. Open body language. An open body language or expansive posture can make someone seem more attractive, whether it's in a photo or in person. This kind of posture refers to having your arms and legs facing outwards, instead of crossing or folding them. It signals openness, confidence, and dominance, which are often seen as attractive traits. Adopting this simple trick can make you appear more approachable, confident, and assertive. It can also make you appear more open to new experiences and opportunities, which is really attractive for others. Method number 2. Be compassionate or selfless. Acting selflessly and being compassionate towards others can make a woman more attractive to those who are seeking a long-term relationship. It has been proven through research that when a woman shows compassion and kindness toward others, it is viewed as more attractive by those who are looking for a long-term commitment, rather than just focusing on physical appearance. Method number 3. Connect with your eyes and genuine smile. Maintaining eye contact is a powerful tool when it comes to flirting and creating an instant connection with someone. According to scientific research, it is not only an effective flirting technique, but it also makes you appear more attractive to the person you are interacting with. By looking directly at the person you are attracted to and smiling, you are able to create a positive and genuine connection with them. This makes you appear more approachable, trustworthy, and likable, which in turn makes you more attractive to them. Additionally, smiling is an indicator of happiness, friendliness, and positivity, which is very attractive. Method number 4. The power of red. Research has shown that wearing the color red can increase one's attractiveness to the opposite sex. The color red is associated with power, dominance, and success, which is very appealing for men. When women wear red, it can tap into men's primal desires and make them seem more sexually desirable. Wearing red may have a positive impact on one's attractiveness, one's overall personality, behavior, and confidence. Method number 5. Compliment creatively through your metaphors. Giving compliments in metaphorical language can be a powerful tool when trying to express admiration and appreciation for someone. Instead of using straightforward expressions, using figurative language can add depth and meaning to the compliment, making it more unique and memorable. This can also demonstrate intelligence and creativity, as it requires the use of imagination and the ability to think outside the box. This can make the person receiving the compliment feel valued and understood, as they can see that effort and thought have been put into the compliment. Metaphorical language can also be more subtle and less direct than literal language, making it more appropriate for certain situations, such as in a professional setting or with someone who is shy or reserved. This creates a more comfortable and natural interaction, which can increase the chances of the compliment being well received. Giving compliments this way can be more impactful as it allows the person receiving the compliment to interpret it in their own way, making it more personal and meaningful to them. This can also make it more likely for the compliment to stick in the person's mind, which can have a positive impact on their self-esteem and overall mood. It can create a deeper connection and understanding between the two parties, which can be beneficial for building relationships, whether it's personal or professional. Method number 6. Create your own signature and power walk. The way you walk can have a significant impact on your attractiveness to the opposite sex. For women, swaying your hips or swinging them from side to side while you walk can make you appear more attractive to men. This is because it is associated with femininity, grace, and sensuality. Having a signature walk can be a powerful tool for exuding confidence, attractiveness, a sense of self-assurance that draws attention to your presence. Method number 7. The art of nodding. Based on study, nodding your head can increase your attractiveness to others by up to 40%. The research found that nodding your head can make you seem more approachable, likable, and friendly, which in turn can make you more attractive to others. The act of nodding your head is a nonverbal cue that conveys agreement, understanding, and interest in what the other person is saying. This can make the person feel heard and validated, which can lead to them finding you more attractive. Additionally, nodding your head can also be seen as a sign of politeness and respect. With the help of the scientifically proven methods shown in this video, you can instantly enhance your appeal and boost your confidence in any social setting. The key is to stay true to yourself and embrace your unique qualities while making small changes to your body language and actions. Don't be afraid to experiment with these techniques, and remember that the most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident being yourself. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.